Major update for GCash users. You can now request your PSA documents right inside the GCash app. This is in partnership with PSA and Pilipinas Teleserve at pinasok na nila si PSA Helpline sa GCash. So, paano nga ba mag-request ng mga certificates? First, go to GLife, click the PSA Helpline.ph. So, kukunin ni PSA Helpline lahat ng information mo from GCash, your GCash number, your full name, your birthday, and you just have to click continue. Input your personal information and click yes. So, mag-a-appear dito ang summary ng personal information mo. Click also your sex, your email address, contact number, and again, agree to the terms and conditions. So, ano ang pwede mo ma-request online? You have the birth certificate, marriage certificate, Senomar, death, or certificate of no death. So, for example, ito, order tayo ng birth certificate. I am requesting this for myself. You can also request for your family member. Ano ang purpose ng request? Or if kailangan mo ba ang PDF download?